Well, hello there everyone. How's it going? I'm Hayley if you're new here, and today we're going to be looking at the next Beauty Skin Sanctuary Edit beauty box. So this box is worth over £136 and retails for £20. So let's take a look in it, shall we? So this is what the front looks like, and then on the back you've got the to and from there if you wanted to give it as a gift. I really like this one. I saw something in there that I really wanted. So let's see what it's like. Oh, it's looking good. I like the look of that. It's this one down the bottom I'm most excited about. Look at that. Full size. So I'll take it from the top. I'll take this one here. So we got something from the Inky list by the looks of it. Collagen Peptide Serum. Youth in a bottle. This collagen peptide serum works to plump the skin, diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Perfect for when you need a little pick-me-up. And it says, best for normal skin, helps to plump skin. And it's got a little, all different things down here. And it says that one is treat. So you're treating your skin. And it's for morning and evening because there's a little moon and a sun there. So this is a 30ml and it's a full size. And I don't think I've ever had any Inky list actually. So I look forward to trying it. So there it is in the little bottle. Let's open it up and see what it's like. Is it sealed? Hang on. No, it's not. So I can show you in there. So I'll put a little bit on my hand. Oh, it's very watery. Let's shut that just in case. It feels very nice. I think I would like that. I like the, you know, it's quite refreshing feeling when they're more watery, isn't it? So it's a very thin, watery one, but not as watery as some I've had. So it's a little bit in between, but more towards the watery side. And what's it smell like? Anything? Can't really smell anything. If there is, it's very faint. Can't smell anything. So there's that one. Plumping your skin. I really look forward to using that. Collagen Peptide Serum. Yeah. Yay! Really excited about that. And then what have we got? What's this one here? So this is Emma Hardy Protect and Prime, and it's a travel size at 20ml. The sun may not be out, but your skin still needs protecting. Use this clever cream to not only prime but protect your skin. The lightweight formula makes it the perfect base for makeup or to wear solo. I like a primer, and I've had one thing that was Emma Hardy, but I wasn't that bothered by it. But I'll see what I think of this one. It says provides UVA and UVB SPF 30 protection. A lightweight, hydrating and protecting daily moisturiser. Smooths and primes the skin for a soft, focused, luminous finish. Got a little seal there, but I'm going to open it. I have nearly finished a primer, so I've got some other ones though, but I don't mind opening this one. Oh, there you go. So there's what it looks like. Oh, and it smells nice. I think I like it better than the smell of the spray. I had the face mist thing and I weren't that bothered about it. I wouldn't buy a full size. This smells a bit like the face mist, but there's something else and it smells much better to me. I really like that a lot better. So I'm going to enjoy that one. I'm happy with that. And then what have we got? Something else. The Ordinary. I always get this, the Ordinary and the Inky list. I always get them mixed up. So this is Multi-Peptide Eye Serum. I think I've got one of these. So yeah, I have already got one of those. So I'll show you what this one looks like. It's very watery, I remember. So it comes out like that. So it's very watery. I'll put a bit here just to show you the consistency. It's very refreshing because it's so warm. It's like the finished eye cream, eye serum. Sorry, it is a serum, so it is very good. I like things that are hydrating on my eyes and it feels refreshing. So I'll carry on using that one before I start a new one. And then what have we got next? Well, it looks like there's a little sample. So it's a little Clinique sample. Moisture Surge 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. I think I've had that before. Yeah. So I know what that's like. It's very nice. I like it. It's a good one for oily skin, I think, because it doesn't leave like a film on your face. It's very thin and refreshing. So that's good. And then what else have we got? I'll take this one before it falls out. This is called Pie Resurrection Girl Hydrating Mask, and it's 20ml, a deluxe sample, and it says bring dry, dull skin back to life with an intense dose of hydration in just 10 minutes. This rich, silky gel feels as good to apply as the end result. Apply to clean, dry skin, leave for at least 10 minutes, massage with moistened fingertips to create a silky milk. Rinse well with water, contains nut oil. Avoid direct contact with eyes. I'll put it on my hand because I'll just be washing it off after, it's fine. I'll put it here. See what it comes out like, can't we? So it's a bit see-through, like a gel thing. I like it. It's quite thick feeling. You know, you can feel a little bit of drag on the skin. I really like how it feels. And it just smells gorgeous. I really like the smell of it. I don't know what's in it, but I really like it. So I will have a good time using that. I think I've got one other pie thing, but I'm not using it yet. I think it's a serum, like a little tiny one. And then after that, we've got a little, I think this is Elemis, yeah. So it's called Superfood Midnight Facial, and that is 15ml. It says, this magic works while you sleep. I like things like that. It says, perfect for all skin types. Drench dull skin with an energising blend that moisturises and nourishes so you can wake up feeling fresh-faced every morning. It says, apply to cleansed skin every night. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. Do not eat. This is a cosmetic. What does that tell you? It tells you it's going to smell good enough to eat. Let's see. It's got a little seal on there, but I'm going to open it because I want to show you. So this is like an overnight cream, but it's like a mask thing. I'll do it here. Don't think I've got anything there, have I? I think it might have had that serum on there. But I just want to see what it looks like and what it smells like. It's quite thin. That smells really good. No wonder they tell you not to eat it. It smells sweet. I love it. I'm trying to think what it smells like. It smells really good. Oh, I'm going to love that one. Going to love it. I'm just wondering what it has in it. Anyway, the ingredients are absolutely tiny. I'm not reading that. So yeah, put that on overnight. Every night. Don't mind if I do. Right, then we just got a couple more. Gonna get this one. So I've got the Patchology Flash Patch Restoring Night Eye Gel, single pair, full size. And it says rejuvenate tired eyes with these super patches. Put fine lines to bed with a dose of retinol, peptides and other skin loving ingredients. Why not apply our patches while you read or watch a film for ultimate relaxation? So the directions say, place one pair of gels onto clean, dry under eye area for 5 minutes or longer if desired. Discard after use and massage remaining serum into skin. I'm going to like that, I think. Can't wait to try it. Yeah, sounds good to me. So there's that one. And then the one what I was really excited about, I've saved till last, Eve Lom. And it's a full-size cleanser. And I looked this one up, I know that this is worth £50. Wow, £50. And I paid 20 and I got all that stuff and this. So this says, Eve Lom Foaming Cleanser, 120ml, full size. Melt away the day with this silky smooth cleanser infused with enzymes to renew your skin while it cleans, including stubborn eye makeup for the most radiant glow. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to open it up. I wasn't going to, but I am. I'm going to open it up and we'll see what it's like. So I've got it out of the plastic wrapping. Foaming Cream Cleanser. Let's see what it's like. Love it. I love a good cleanser. Apply to damp skin with wet hands to create a creamy foam lava. Gently massage into skin using upward circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat skin dry. Has it got a seal? Here it comes. It smells good. That is lovely. Really nice. And I really like the smell. I think it's got menthol in it. It smells good. So I'm really pleased to have that £50 of cleanser there. So that was the whole box. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.